Again, the Mercedes Benz Sprinter crew van provides upfitting capabilities like no other.
So we go from Willie and the Highwaymen to Dave Stahl on the showroom floor. Good morning, Dave.
On the road again.
Good morning, guys. You know, Mercedes Benz, they have so many different floor variations that it would take me forever to explain them all. Now, this particular one is kind of unique. It's a 2500. Now, you do have two engines you can choose from. This has got the 2-liter gas, puts out about 188 horsepower and 258 foot-pounds of torque, and it's a turbocharged. Drives just fine, 9-speed auto. Or you can opt for the more popular 3-liter turbo diesel, which is another, believe it or not, 188 horsepower, but 325 feet of torque. Now, this one is kind of an overgrown station wagon, because if you open up the doors, there's your 3 seats for the family, but look at the cargo space in the back. So if you're one that maybe you're into maybe you're go-kart racing or motocross racing, but you still want to carry the family around, you have it. This one comes with an optional electric step. And one of the things that Mercedes has done to make it nice and easy for you is that when you open these doors, a lot of times they'll get in the way. Well, Mercedes has designed this door to go all the way around the back so that when you open up this whole interior, you can almost bring a forklift in here and put pallets of whatever it is that you want. So lots of good cargo space. They give you a nice step, a grab handle. And we just had one of our guys come out who's 6'2" and his head did not touch the ceiling. Really good lighting, tie downs all the way around. You can get this in 2-wheel drive. They also come in 4-wheel drive. But the variations are what's really, really off the chart. It drives extremely well. It's got the Mercedes-Benz new infotainment center, which is really nice. It's got a 10-inch screen up front. Your map comes up. You can see everything is crystal clear. You've got rear heaters. I mean, the options on this thing are endless. Now, this one does base out at 41,290. It tests at 54,240. So if this is the type of vehicle you need for the family, and you can't beat Mercedes, and out of all of them, this has got the most luxury. Heated seats up front, super comfortable, 9-speed auto. I don't know, Rudy, looks like this would be great for you and the Pigskin Preview guys. You could all grow in the back and go cover 127 football games. So with that being said, I'm going to hit the road. I'm going to throw it back to you guys, and I will see you this weekend.
Yes, all right. We could all hop in that.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
And probably be socially distanced.
I know.
Yeah.
You would be, absolutely.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you, Dave.
Drive safe.
You got it.
All right, he is back from his butcher's cut